it's incredible!
Yes! Let's go check it out before the zombies get us!
This is the best party ever! Check out the bats! Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
Firstly, open Filmora. Then come to Image to Video Generation. And here, select any of these template. Now upload your image here. And then click on Generate. It will take some time. Here you can see that it's ready. Now we will make our own story here. I have made these clips from AI. You can generate it from here. Like this. Just write your prompt here and select the size and ratio. And then click on Generate. Now we will add Halloween transition. Just watch it.
Look at that haunted house! It's incredible!
Yeah!
Look at that haunted house! It's incredible!
Yes! Let's Happy Halloween!
Now, we will add Halloween stickers from the sticker section.
Haunted house! It's incredible!
Yes! Let's
Incredible! House! It's incredible!
Yes! Let's go check it out before the zombies get us!
Now, we will add some Halloween text and effect from the title section.